We come and go, but the land is always here. And the people who love it and understand it are the people who own it for a little while. Willa Cather, O Pioneers. Less than 0.1% of Iowa's native tallgrass prairie ecosystem remains. But thanks to places like Irvine Prairie, we can reconstruct Iowa's lost landscape and reconnect to our environmental and cultural roots. The Tallgrass Prairie Center at the University of Northern Iowa is bringing our native grassland back to 77 acres in Benton County, owned by the UNI Foundation and protected by a conservation easement. Each year for 5 years, we are planting between 8 and 20 acres with carefully designed seed mixes that include around 100 species of regionally appropriate native prairie seed. Rare and hard-to-establish species are transplanted by hand. Mowed paths through the prairie invite exploration and double as fire breaks for prescribed burning, an important prairie management practice. The restoration plan takes into account the soils and slopes of the site to improve the success of the plantings. Management plans include mowing and burning, along with other best practices. The TPC is committed to documenting the work and monitoring the results to guide future decisions. Trial and error will lead to lessons that can help better restore and manage both the Irvine Prairie and other reconstruction efforts. Irvine Prairie is a meeting space for enjoying and learning about prairie. Teachers can bring classes out to learn about the prairie ecosystem in this living laboratory. UNI faculty and students have unprecedented opportunities for research and community engagement in many fields of study. Visitors are also welcome. Come take a walk along the paths at any time, dawn to dusk, in any season. A visit in the spring will be different from one in the fall, as different plants grow, bloom, and set seed over the course of a year. Be on the lookout for monarch caterpillars or butterflies, deer, songbirds, pheasant, and a wide variety of prairie grasses and wildflowers. Binoculars or a camera are highly recommended. Across from the prairie, on the Irvine farm, the spectacular silo mural depicts many of the plants and animals of the Tallgrass Prairie. Please note that hunting and motor vehicles are strictly prohibited. Please sign the guest book near the parking area and leave a note about what you saw on your visit. For information to help you plan your visit to Irvine Prairie and to learn more about Tallgrass Prairie and the UNI Tallgrass Prairie Center, please visit our website, tallgrassprairiecenter.org.